Sharks terrify humans in shallow water. So why do sharks attack humans? Experts have found two unfamiliar reasons responsible for the attacks. We'll come to that later. Types of sharks that attack humans. There are about 400 species of sharks in the world, the most dangerous of which are the giant white shark, the bull shark, the mako shark, and the cannibal tiger shark. Mostly, shark ferocity increases in the period from June to December of each year, when the female shark escapes from the male to lay eggs. It is usually the point that witnesses an attack on some tourists on the beaches. In 2021, 137 shark attacks were recorded, killing 9 people in the world. Of these, 39 attacks are classified as causative. That is, when some people try to touch or feed sharks. And 73 unprovoked attacks, such as hit-and-run bites near beaches, which occurs when sharks approach shallow water. In addition to 6 unknown attacks. According to Florida Institute for Research, unlike hit-and-run attacks, sharks can attack tourists with ferocity in deep water, striking the human body using the head and tail repeatedly before biting. This attack is often fatal. Why sharks attack humans? Experts attribute shark attacks on humans to 2 reasons. The first is related to the poor sense of sight in the shark itself, and its inability to distinguish between humans and its marine prey. The second relates to people's use of scents and creams during diving, which provokes the shark's nervous system and prompts it to attack, especially since sharks are known to detect smells from a distance. Biology professor Laura Ryan says that seals are prey for sharks, but human shape and movements in the water are not enough for sharks to distinguish between them and seals. The analytical ability of sharks is 6 times less than that of humans, and is at its lowest in the small white sharks, which are the greatest danger to surfers, and are responsible for a large proportion of attacks on humans. According to Interface magazine, young sharks often have worse eyesight than adult sharks, and as the shark grows, the eye becomes larger, and the larger the eye, the more details it can see. How to avoid a shark attack? According to Florida Institute for Research, the peak activity of sharks is at night, dawn, and dusk. Swimming in groups is recommended because sharks often bite people who are swimming alone.